Yo, what's going on, traders? Hope you all having a good time. Rafael back again, and in today's video I'm going to pick the 2 winners for today's giveaway, guys. I told you, you just need to drop comments under my last 2 YouTube videos to participate, and of course smash the like button. And if you're not subscribed yet, make sure to do it now. Just want to let you know, guys, in the comments section under my videos you will always find scammers who are trying to get you into WhatsApp, Telegram chats or whatever. Please only use the links in the video description. Don't trust any comment section, all right? Just be careful. I don't want you guys to lose money on some stupid shit, okay? So I'm going to pick 2 winners today for the Genius Trading Masterclass course, guys. Just take a look inside. If you're new to this channel, you probably not seen this yet, so check the link in the description. Genius Trading Masterclass course. I've put all my strategies inside, all my entry exit strategies, all my trade management systems, money management systems, and of course you're going to see me execute trades live and manage trades live to show you exactly how to become a prop trader, how to become funding capital, how to trade 6-figure accounts even if you have no capital at all. So yeah, this course is everything you need to start your career as a trader, to work from home, to be free, make a lot of money. And yeah, it's all you need, guys. Make sure to check the course curriculum. I've put a lot of things in here. You're gonna see me passing funding challenges and all that stuff you need. Even if you have no idea, this course covers everything. So even if you have no idea about trading at all, you can start this thing from scratch and you will end up as a professional trader if you stick to the plan, if you have discipline, and if you have patience to wait for our setups. So check it out, guys. The price will go up in like 7 days. So yeah, make your decision if you want to become part of our inner circle. We have a huge group of traders from all around the world, with more than 3,000 inside the inner circle, who are exchanging ideas, who help each other to grow and yeah, to make big things happen. So guys, this was the first video here. We have a lot of comments. Maybe I'm gonna find one of those guys who are trying to scam you, just to show you how these comments look like. I'm really trying hard to delete all these comments, but it takes a lot of time because they spamming the comment section. They answer nearly every single trader who drops a comment under my videos. Like, it's really crazy, and it sucks. Well, on this video looks pretty clean. Now here we have some, yeah, look at this, like this stupid shit, guys. Don't follow these guys. They're another one. You see that? Please don't write these, don't send messages to these guys. They're just gonna get all your money and run away. All right, so let's see what we have. So this is the first video, guys. I'm gonna filter duplicate users to make it fair for everybody. And 5 plus 8 is 13. So let's pick the first winner, guys. Let's see how many unique commenters we have. 689. All right, nearly 700 unique commenters, guys. Who is the lucky one? Abu X. Okay, if you see this, buddy, make sure to send me a private message in Telegram. You will find the link down below in the description. Drop me a private message in Telegram and make a screen record video where you find this comment who has won the giveaway, and edit the comment on the screen record video. I want to see your account name and all that stuff. Prove your identity, and then I'm going to get you inside the Genius Trading Masterclass course and put you inside the inner circle of our group chats, of course, as well. Congratulations, buddy. Now let's pick the second one. This video got a lot of comments as well. Let's see. Random comment picker. That's 7. So let's see how many unique commenters we have in here. It's a little bit less, so nearly 500. Who's the lucky winner? Let's see. Ilyas Wahab. You hope you win, and you won, man. Congratulations, buddy. For you, the same thing. Check the link down below in the description. Drop me a private message. Show me that it's your YouTube account. And show me that you can edit the comment. And then I'm going to get you inside the inner circle of our team. Unlock the Genius Trading Masterclass course. And you can start learning all that good stuff. And yeah, start to make money as a trader, guys. That's it for today. Thank you for tuning in. I'm not going to take a trade today. Today my girl has birthday. We're gonna make a big party with shashlik and vodka, and we're gonna party hard on a Tuesday, man. Let's go. Wish you all the best, guys. See you in the next one, and stay healthy, guys. Peace out.
Fly me to the moon. Forget what you know. Every time I by your body in love. Yeah, yeah, fly me to the moon. Forget what you know. Every time I by your body in love.